I'm Justin Shea Nicolas, your facilitator or trainer for this training program. Before we go to the proper orientation, please stand up for prayer. Amen. Okay. Before I start, let me check the attendance. Please present me your admission slip once your name is called. Mr. Alvaran. Thank you. Mr. Nace. And Mr. Alvarado. Thank you. Okay, now let's go to the proper orientation for the competency-based training for animation and C3. Okay. Okay, let's start muna sa vision natin, which is Premier State University, which recognizes excellence in engineering and technology education at Faraway leading university in the ASEAN region. Okay, for the vision, the university shall provide higher and advanced vocational, technical, industrial, technological, and professional education and training in industry and technology. Okay, sa rules and regulation, of course, the attendance, dress code, and time management, avoid disturbance, and the workplace. Okay, let's go. Let's start with the CBT. There are 10 principles. The first one is the training is based on the curriculum developed from competency standard. The fifth one is training materials are directly related to the competency standards and the curriculum. Okay, for the agenda for today, of course, we start with the prayer and introduction, vision and vision, rules and regulation, training approach, evaluation system, produce key, drawing for animation. Okay, let's go to the roles of the trainer. Okay, as a trainer, I'm here to facilitate, provide guidance, and provide feedback. And as you trainees to accomplish what is required, to present the performance task and monitor his own accomplishment and be responsible. Okay, in this training, we will be using the CQLM of the competency-based learning material. It has information sheets that contain learning activities, subject, a immediate assessment. Okay. It also has answer keys and immediate feedback of your subject. It has fractional sheet, task sheet, or job sheet to practice your skills and performance criteria. Criteria check, which will be used to assess or evaluate your performance. Okay, we also have monitoring tools. The progress chart. This chart is monitor of the learning outcomes achieved by each trainee. Okay, and for the achievement chart, and this chart is a monitor of required project. Okay. In evaluation, assessment is based in collection of evidence of performance offered to the industry required standard, and there will be the result of assessment of competent or not yet competent. Okay. This is our workshop layout. I will tour you to our workshop. Contextual learning laboratory, learning resources area, quality control area, and you have any question for further verification? None? If not, I will now administer the quick assessment. I have here the self-assessment, checklist, and data gathering tool for training characteristics. This will be help me to determine the background, experiences, and your knowledge. It will also help you to determine your current dependencies. Okay. 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 I will give you 2 minutes to accomplish the forms. Please read the instruction carefully. Okay? You may start now. Okay, are you done? Okay. May I have your report? Okay. Trainees, you may not take your break. Okay. Welcome back, trainees. I have here the results of your pre-assessment based from the evidence I gathered. It seems that you, Mr. Alvarado, as a prior learning of this qualification. Please be back tomorrow. Okay. Good morning, trainees. Let's check your attendance. To those who have a prior learning, please submit to me your evidence. Thank you. Here's the CQLN. Please read all the information sheet, starting from 1.1 to 5. Answer the self-check and prepare your answer key, practice and skills using the task sheet and job sheet. Okay, if you have any question, do not hesitate to ask me, and I am more willing to assist you and demonstration of questioning. Mr. Mace, you performed the task within the standard requirements of the qualification. You can get your national certificate of the competency from the provincial office. Look for Mr. De La Cruz. Okay. Give the copy of the published competency assessment result. Good morning, trainees. Please stand and let us feel the presence of the Lord. Amen. Once I call your name, please say present. Mr. Alvarado. Okay. And this side is right. For today, Mr. Alvarado, you can proceed to institutional assessment area. I will give you the result that based on your assessment is 40 out of 50. And now I will give you a certificate of vision for finishing this module. Okay, we will now go back. Okay, based on your progress and achievement chart, Mr. Alvaran, you have And now I will determine who is competent and who is not competent for this program. Right before we end this, kindly fill out the evaluation form.